Premenstrual syndrome or the PMS can be easily managed with Ayurveda. PMS are the symptoms which you get it 5 to 10 days before your periods. Many women get physical and emotional disturbance during this time. So let us see what are the premenstrual syndrome and how to tackle it with Ayurveda. Number one, you can get gastric irritations or the gastric disturbance in your diet or digestion during your periods or just before your periods. You could get physical symptoms like backache, tenderness in the breast, irritation, headaches. You could also get emotional irritation, anxiety, anger. All these symptoms are very common. Some women even get giddiness, a mild headache and blurriness of the vision. So these kind of symptoms are common during PMS. So what Ayurveda says about these PMS? We take it into a doshic involvement in each category. For a Vata type, what are the symptoms you get in the PMS? Kind of a backache, it could be low backache, digestion difference, constipation. These are the things what you see during the Vatic type of PMS. So if you are having a Pitta imbalance, then generally the woman will have tenderness of the breast, they will get acne. You might have observed that just before periods, a pimple will pop in. And there could be also a diarrhea or loose motion during this time. There could be burning micturition, hotness in the body, warm temperature. These could be because of the excess Pitta in the body. There could be a Kapha PMS where you are lethargic, you are having headaches, you don't get sleep properly. These could be involvement of Kapha. You could also feel that the bleeding could be darker and more heavier during these periods. So how do we manage PMS in Vata type? Vata type of PMS, whatever the symptoms have been told, make sure that you take Dashamula tea or tea with jeera and ginger. This can be consumed warm. All Vata type of PMS people should avoid cold water, cold items during this period. You can also consume aloe vera with warm water. It can be easily managed along with using hot water bags if you have low back pain. In spite of home remedies, if the symptoms are intensified, it is always good to use Ayurveda herbs to rectify these symptoms. If you are suffering from Pitta type of PMS, then it is advised to take red sugar candy along with a ripe banana, 1 spoon of ghee. This will reduce the heat and excess symptoms whatever Pitta person is suffering from. Along with this, you can also take pomegranate juice, which can be added with little jeera powder. If you are having Kapha type of PMS symptoms, then it is advised to take Trikatu Churna, which is there in the Ayurveda herbs. These Trikatu Churna along with aloe vera help to reduce the symptoms. The person can also take sesame seeds on a regular basis during the PMS. So managing PMS is not a rocket science. You know your body very well. You know what are the type of symptoms you are having. You could be having constipation, you could be having loose motion, or you could have tenderness of the breast. Depending on which type you belong to, tackle it with simple home remedies. If the symptoms persist in spite of these, then you can go for Ayurveda medications which can be rectified within 3 months.